Alright, drone enthusiasts, hold on to your propellers, because DJI is not just playing games anymore. They're redefining the entire field. Just when we were all buzzing about their massive July rollout, celebrating the sleek Osmo 360, which just dropped on July 31st by the way, the impossibly tiny Osmo Nano, and the crystal clear Mic 3, released July 29th, a new wave of intel has landed, confirming something even more groundbreaking for the future of flight. You need to watch till the end to get all the mind-blowing new updates. Yep, the latest buzz is all about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now I know many of you on social media, myself included, were guessing a September launch for this beast. But new, highly credible leaks are pointing to a much earlier arrival. Get ready, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to officially release on August 7th, 2020. If this date holds, that's just a few short weeks away, making this one of DJI's most anticipated and surprisingly early launches in recent memory. This isn't just a drone, it's a statement. While definitive full specs are still under wraps, we've had some incredible accidental peaks this past week, all thanks to some, shall we say, overly enthusiastic Chinese influencers. We've seen not one, but two accidental prototype photos. The first, shared by a trusted leaker, showed a beta tester near DJI HQ in Shenzhen, with what is unmistakably a DJI Mini 5 Pro prototype. And what immediately jumps out, this is no mere Mini 4 Pro refresh, with a few tweaks. We're looking at a new gap design, clearly showing two extra LiDAR sensors positioned prominently up front. This is monumental, hinting at next-level omnidirectional obstacle avoidance that was previously reserved only for the much larger professional-grade Mavic or Inspire series, making complex flights in tight or challenging environments safer and more intuitive than ever. Beyond the LiDAR, a closer examination of these leaked images reveals several other critical design elements. The camera module itself appears significantly larger, strongly suggesting that the rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor we've all been dreaming of for the Mini series is finally becoming a reality. A larger sensor means capturing more light, vastly improved dynamic range, and simply stunning image quality, especially when you're pushing those challenging low-light cinematic shots. And then, there are the larger, noticeably vented motors. This isn't just about aesthetics. Vented motors are engineered for better cooling and increased efficiency, potentially leading to more power with less heat buildup. Combine this with rumored improvements in propeller design, and you're looking at a drone that's not just powerful, but incredibly refined and stable in the air. The million-dollar question, as always with the Mini line, is how on earth DJI is managing to cram all this cutting-edge technology, a larger camera, advanced LiDAR, bigger motors, and still miraculously stay under that magic 250-gram weight limit. If they pull this off, it's not just engineering, it's pure unadulterated wizardry. Every single gram saved in that gapped redesign and careful material selection will be crucial. This drone is poised to be an engineering marvel, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in an ultralight package. While we're still waiting for definitive specs on things like battery life, though those vented motors hint at incredible efficiency, transmission range, and internal storage, these early visual leaks paint a clear, exhilarating picture of DJI's ambition. This isn't just a Mini refresh, it's a Mini that truly blurs the lines between the ultralight category and more professional, full-featured drones. Imagine a sub-250-gram drone with a true 1-inch sensor, advanced LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, and the kind of stability and power we're now seeing hinted at in these leaks. The anticipation for August 7th is electric. What are you most excited to see confirmed when the DJI Mini 5 Pro officially drops? Is it the revolutionary LiDAR system that promises unprecedented safety? That upgraded 1-inch camera sensor for truly cinematic shots? Or the sheer engineering marvel of keeping all this groundbreaking tech under 250 grams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This is going to be an epic reveal and I can't wait to share more with you. Catch you in the next one. Peace.